Oh, he's off the mark, he's away. That's a beautiful straight drive from Tendulkar.
Cricket fans and especially RCB fans, I know you are so happy today because what a phenomenal inning AB de Villiers has played today, sir. In just 33 balls, 73 runs. What an explosive inning today we have seen.
Yes, definitely. Today, AB de Villiers show his class and A, B, C, D to Z, a class of cricketing innings.
Right.
Today, he did not play any shot out of cricket books. Today, he played in the degree of 180 from square leg, mid on, long off, cover, extra cover, cover. These areas he played his strokes and built his inning explosively.
Right, sir. And Aaron Finch was in great rhythm today, as well as Virat Kohli seemed a little bit calm today because you know AB de Villiers is already playing explosive inning.
Yes. You see, when ABD is in full form, full swing, it was a responsibility of Kohli to play a calm inning and get cheeky singles and rotation of strikes. That was his main responsibility. That's what he did. And if ABD was going very nicely, why should he go after the bowlers? And yes, Jack, you also mentioned about Finch.
Yep.
Yes. Today he looked calm and compact. Earlier on, we have seen that there was a gap between bat and pad. So ball was getting away from this way. So every bowlers were getting use of this weakness. Today he looked compact and he made
Very good 47.
a very good 47 run. He used his legs and always after taking one or two steps he went after strokes.
Yes, I mean that's the thing. The absence of Sunil Narine proven so costly to KKR, and apart from that, the second reason is KKR's batting lineup. Apart from Shubman Gill, nobody could convert their inning into the big numbers, and I think I really don't understand what's the strategy behind it.
Yes.
Batting lineup.
First of all, you might be thinking about why Benton was sent as an opener instead of Rahul Tripathi when Rahul Tripathi was well with opening. But you see, management had two options. Either they should go with Benton or Rahul Tripathi. Rahul Tripathi, as they have seen earlier, that he could play at number 5 also. So, and Benton is an international T20 opener. That's why they went with Benton, and unfortunately Benton could not perform well. I think pressure of 194 affect their mindset and they went after bowlers. Actually, these are the bowlers of Royal Challengers Bangalore, challenging any batsman in the world. Okay, and these bowlers are in form bowlers. Kohli have trusted. You see the bowling of Washington Sundar, how economical he is and how he is good with his line and length. Then, as usual, Yajwendra Chahal and Morris. So these compact bowling attack and huge mountain of score, 194 runs, made or destroyed the peace of mind. And that's why they could not perform. So all credit goes to game plan of Kohli. They bowled well according to plan. They made a total what was required. In fact, more than required.
So as this is all about today's session, Bangalore is playing challenging games nowadays. Just share this video to 5 of your friends who are a fan of Royal Challenger Bangalore, and I would love to take a leave. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Straight Route.